Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Life English, your daily English practice. I'm Jess.
And I'm Mike. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're new, subscribe so you don't miss our daily episodes.
So, Mike, how was your weekend? Did you get everything done?
Not really. I was so busy. I had to get a shower, get some medicine from the pharmacy, and get my girlfriend to the airport.
Wait. Mike, stop right there.
What? What did I say?
You said get a shower, get medicine, get your girlfriend to the airport.
Yeah, so?
Well, some of those should be take. You don't get a shower, you take a shower.
Oh, no, really? But why? They both mean to receive or obtain something, right?
They're similar, but not exactly the same. And this is one of the biggest mistakes English learners make, choosing between get and take.
Wait, are we talking about this today?
We are. Today, we're finally going to solve this problem. Get versus take. The simple rule that changes everything.
Oh, this is perfect. Because honestly, I get this wrong all the time.
You're not alone. My students ask me about this constantly. Jess, do I say get a break or take a break? Get a photo or take a photo? It's confusing.
Right? In my language, we use the same word for both, but English has two different words, and I never know which one to use.
Exactly. So today, let's break it down. We'll learn the rule, practice examples, and by the end of this episode, you'll never be confused again.
Let's do this. I'm ready to learn.
Great. And I'll explain why we say take a shower, not get a shower.
See? Even that confuses me.
Okay, so Mike, what's the big difference? Let me give you the simple rule first, and then we'll practice.
I'm ready. Give me the rule.
Here it is. Get means to receive, obtain, or arrive at something. It's about the result. Take means to grab, remove, or choose something. It's about the action.
Get is about receiving. Take is about grabbing. Okay, but what does that actually mean?
Think about it this way. When you get something, it comes to you, or you obtain it. When you take something, you actively grab it or move it from one place to another.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. If I say, I got a present for my birthday, what happened?
Someone gave you a present. You received it.
Exactly. It came to me, I obtained it. That's get.
Okay, I'm following.
Now, if I say, I took a cookie from the jar, what happened?
You grabbed a cookie. You removed it from the jar.
Right. I actively took it. I moved it from the jar to my hands. That's take.
Oh, wow, that actually makes sense. Get is receiving or obtaining. Take is grabbing or removing.
You got it. That's the core difference.
So, when I get a gift, someone gives it to me, but when I take a cookie, I'm grabbing it myself.
Perfect. Get is often more passive. Take is more active.
And when I take a shower, Wait, how is that grabbing something?
Great question. This is where it gets tricky. Take a shower, take a break, take a photo. These are fixed expressions. Collocations, they don't follow the logical rule.
Of course, there are always exceptions.
Welcome to English. But don't worry, most of these fixed expressions with take are very common. So once you learn them, they stick.
Okay, so I just need to memorize take a shower, take a break, take a photo.
Exactly. These are idioms you use so often, they become automatic.
What about get? Are there fixed expressions with get too?
Absolutely. Get ready, get dressed, get up, get home, get to work, get tired, get sick, get angry, get excited, get lost, get a job, get a degree, get permission, get a chance, get an opportunity. Get it, get the point, get the joke, get the message.
All of those use get, and they all have slightly different meanings.
Exactly. Get ready means to prepare. Get home means to arrive home. Get tired means to become tired. Get a job means to obtain a job. Get it means to understand.
So, get has multiple meanings.
It does. Get is one of the most versatile verbs in English. It can mean receive, obtain, arrive at, become, understand, and more.
That's a lot of meanings.
It is, but don't worry, context makes it clear. And with practice, you'll know which meaning fits.
Okay, so let's break it down. What are the main meanings of get?
Great question. Here are the main ones. First, get can mean to receive. I got a letter. I got a gift.
Receive. Got it.
Second, get can mean to obtain or buy. I need to get some milk. I got a new car.
Obtain or buy. Okay.
Third, get can mean arrive. What time do you get home? I got to work at 9 a.m.
Arrive. That makes sense.
Fourth, get can mean to become. I'm getting tired. It's getting dark.
Become or reach a state.
And fifth, get can mean to understand. Do you get it? I don't get the joke.
Understand. So get has multiple meanings.
It does, but again, context makes it clear.
Okay, so what are the main meanings of get?
Great question. Here are the main ones. First, get can mean to receive. I got a letter. I got a gift.
Receive. Got it.
Second, get can mean to obtain or buy. I need to get some milk. I got a new car.
Obtain or buy. Okay.
Third, get can mean arrive. What time do you get home? I got to work at 9 a.m.
Arrive. That makes sense.
Fourth, get can mean to become. I'm getting tired. It's getting dark.
Become or reach a state.
And fifth, get can mean to understand. Do you get it? I don't get the joke.
Understand. So get has at least 5 main meanings.
At least. There are more, but these are the most common.
What about take? Does take have multiple meanings too?
Yes, but take is a bit more straightforward. The main meanings are to grab, to remove, to carry, to choose, or to require.
That's still a lot.
Let me give you examples. First, take can mean to grab or pick up. Take this pen. I took the book from the shelf.
Grab or pick up. Okay.
Second, take can mean to carry or move. Take this to your room. I'll take you to the airport.
Carry or transport.
Third, take can mean to choose or select. I'll take the blue one. Which do you want to take?
Choose. That makes sense.
Fourth, take can mean to require or need. It takes 2 hours to get there. This job takes patience.
Require or need time or effort.
And fifth, take can mean to accept. Do you take credit cards? I'll take your advice.
Accept. Okay, so take also has multiple meanings.
It does. But again, context makes it clear.
This is a lot to remember.
It is, but let me give you the most common fixed expressions with each, and that will help.
Yes, please. I need the common phrases.
Okay, let me give you really common phrases with get that you hear all the time.
Let's hear them.
Get ready, get dressed, get up, get home, get to work. Get tired, get sick, get angry. Get excited, get lost. Get a job, get a degree. Get permission, get a chance, get an opportunity. Get it, get the point, get the joke, get the message.
All of those use get, and they all have slightly different meanings.
Exactly. Get ready means to prepare. Get home means to arrive home. Get tired means to become tired. Get a job means to obtain a job. Get it means to understand.
So the meaning depends on what comes after get.
Exactly. The context tells you which meaning of get to use. What about take? What are common phrases with take?
Okay, here are really common ones.
Take a shower, take a bath, take a break, take a rest, take a nap, take a photo, take a picture, take a video, take a selfie, take a seat, take a look, take a chance, take a risk, take medicine, take vitamins, take pills, take time, take turns, take care, take notes.
Wow, there are so many fixed expressions with take.
There are, and most of them you just have to memorize.
Take a shower, take a break, take a photo. Those are super common.
They are. You use those every day.
Why do we say take a shower and not get a shower?
Honestly, it's just a fixed expression. There's no logical reason. Native speakers just learned it that way.
So I can't figure it out with logic, I just have to memorize it.
For some phrases, yes. But the good news is you hear them so often they become automatic.
Okay, let me test this. Tell me if I'm right or wrong.
Go for it.
I need to get a shower.
Wrong. It's take a shower.
I knew it. Take a shower.
Yes, fixed expression.
I got home at 10 p.m.
Correct. Get home means to arrive home.
I need to take some milk at the store.
Wrong. It's get some milk. You're obtaining it, not grabbing it and removing it.
Oh, right. Get some milk.
Yes, when you're buying or obtaining something, use get.
Can you take me to the airport?
Correct. Take someone to a place means to transport them.
I'm getting tired.
Correct. Getting tired means becoming tired.
Let me take a photo.
Correct. Take a photo. Fixed expression.
I got a new job.
Correct. Got a job means obtained a job.
Take a seat.
Correct. Take a seat means sit down. Fixed expression.
I don't get it.
Correct. Get it means understand it.
This is clicking now. I'm starting to see the patterns.
Good. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Okay, Jess, let me ask you something. Are there idioms with get and take?
Oh, absolutely. So many. Let me give you some common ones.
I love idioms.
Okay, with get, we have get the hang of something. That means to learn how to do something.
Get the hang of. So if I'm learning to cook, I'm getting the hang of it.
Exactly. You're learning the skill.
What else?
We have get on someone's nerves. That means to annoy someone.
Get on someone's nerves. So if my neighbor plays loud music, he's getting on my nerves.
Perfect. He's annoying you.
What about get over something?
Get over something means to recover from something, like an illness or a breakup.
So if I was sick, I need to get over it.
Exactly. Or if you had a bad breakup, it takes time to get over it.
That makes sense. What about get away with something?
Get away with something means to do something wrong without being punished.
So if someone cheats on a test and doesn't get caught, they got away with it.
Exactly. They did something wrong but faced no consequences.
These are so useful. Here's another one. Get going. That means to start moving or to leave.
Get going. So if we need to leave, I can say, we should get going.
Perfect. It's time to leave. What about get cold feet?
Get cold feet means to become nervous or afraid to do something you planned.
So if someone is supposed to get married, but they're scared, they're getting cold feet.
Exactly. They're having second thoughts.
What about idioms with take?
Okay, with take, we have take it easy. That means to relax or not work too hard.
Take it easy. So if someone is stressed, I can say, take it easy.
Exactly. Relax. Don't stress.
What else?
We have take your time. That means don't hurry.
Take your time. So if someone is rushing, I can say, take your time, no rush.
Perfect.
What about take place?
Take place means to happen or occur.
So if an event happens, it takes place.
Exactly. The meeting will take place on Monday.
What about take after someone?
Take after someone means to resemble a family member.
So if I look like my father, I take after my father.
Exactly. You inherited his features or personality.
What about take for granted?
Take for granted means to not appreciate something because you're used to it.
So if I don't appreciate my health until I get sick, I took it for granted.
Exactly. You didn't value it until it was gone.
That's a good reminder to be grateful.
It is. Here's another one. Take advantage of something. That means to use an opportunity.
Take advantage. So if there's a sale, I should take advantage of it.
Exactly. Use the opportunity.
But doesn't take advantage of someone mean to exploit them?
Great catch. Yes, take advantage of an opportunity is positive. Take advantage of a person is negative. It means to exploit or use them unfairly.
So, context matters.
Always.
What about take care of something?
Take care of means to handle or look after something.
So if I need to handle a problem, I take care of it.
Exactly. I'll take care of the dishes. I'll take care of the kids.
And take care by itself means goodbye, right?
Yes, take care is a friendly way to say goodbye. It means be safe or look after yourself.
I use that all the time.
Most people do. It's very common.
Okay, Jess, before we go to vocabulary, let me ask you one more thing. How do I practice this?
Great question. First, pay attention to fixed expressions. When you hear take a shower or get ready, make a note of it.
Okay, so notice collocations.
Yes. Second, when you're not sure, ask yourself, am I receiving something or actively grabbing it?
Receiving is get, grabbing is take.
Exactly. And third, practice. Use the phrases in real conversations. Make mistakes, get corrected, learn.
Make mistakes to learn. That's the theme of this show.
It is. Mistakes are how we improve.
All right, I feel like I understand this so much better now.
I'm so glad. This is one of those things that just takes practice.
And I'm going to practice. I'm going to get better and take every opportunity to use these phrases.
Perfect usage. See, you're already getting it.
I am. Okay, before we go to vocabulary, quick question for our listeners. Do you confuse get and take? What phrases are hardest for you? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we want to know. You're not alone in this.
All right, let's review some vocabulary.
Vocabulary time.
First phrase, take a shower.
Take a shower. To wash yourself. I take a shower every morning.
Take a shower, wash yourself.
Second phrase, get ready.
Get ready to prepare yourself. I need to get ready for work.
Get ready, prepare yourself.
Third phrase, take a break.
Take a break. To pause and rest. Let's take a break for 10 minutes.
Take a break, pause and rest.
Fourth phrase, get home.
Get home, to arrive at your home. What time do you get home?
Get home, arrive at home.
Fifth phrase, take a photo.
Take a photo. To capture an image with a camera. Can you take a photo of us?
Take a photo, capture an image.
Sixth phrase, get tired.
Get tired, to become tired. I'm getting tired. Let's go home.
Get tired, become tired.
Seventh phrase, take medicine.
Take medicine. To consume medication. Don't forget to take your medicine.
Take medicine, consume medication.
Eighth phrase, get a job.
Get a job, to obtain employment. Finally, I got a job.
Get a job, obtain employment.
Ninth phrase, take care of.
Take care of. To handle or look after something. I'll take care of the problem.
Take care of, handle or look after.
And finally, get it.
Get it, to understand something. Do you get it now?
Get it, understand something.
And there you have it, 10 essential phrases with get and take.
These are so useful. I'm going to practice them every day.
That's the spirit.
All right, that was a great lesson about get and take.
It really was. Remember, the key is get for receiving and becoming, take for fixed expressions, and when in doubt, look it up or ask. Now, a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what's the hardest get or take phrase for you to remember? We want to know. We love reading your answers.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs this lesson.
We'll see you tomorrow with another easy conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.